Right, guys, it is Thursday's maths, and it's a slightly different one today because it is the end of topic check for our money topic. Now, you might remember when we did multiplication and division, which was quite a long topic, we did a bit of a check at the end. The reason for that is just to see how you all found it, what we've taken in, what we've remembered, what we've learned, and that's what we're going to do for the money one. This one's only been a short one, and by all accounts from people at home, it's been quite a good one. The money topic's really good because it's got addition in it, subtraction in it, some multiplication in there, and numbers, decimals, pounds, pence. It's got lots of stuff, and it's only a short topic really. It's only been about a week, hasn't it? So we're going to do a little bit of a check to see where everyone's up to, what everyone thinks, and it is going to be done similar to what we did last time. So there's no flashbacks, extra little problems and things. I'm going to use some white rose end of topic questions. We're going to do them all on this video together. Well, I'm not just going to do them with you and tell you the answers, but I'm going to read them through. You're going to pause this video and have a go at them, and I'll come back to it straight away and tell you the answers. Okay, and then there is a Power Maths video. No, there's not. There's Power Maths work to do at the end, because in the Power Maths book that you've got at home, there are 2 pages for you to have a go at. And to be honest, the questions are really similar to the ones we're going to do now. So you're going to be fine at those as well. So we'll get started. There are 9 questions on this video. So we'll do a couple, pause the video, have a go, come back to the answers. Here we go. So Eva Lee's made it to our maths today. Brilliant. Eva has these notes and coins. That's what she's got. How much money does she have altogether? So you have to add those that money up there and tell me in pounds and pence how much money Eva has got. That's number 1. And then number 2, you have to circle £4.65. So there's all different coins there. You have to circle £4.65. 2 easy ones just to get us going. Have a go at those. Pause the video now. Okay, so first of all, Eva has got some money. Let's see how much money she's got. Start with the pounds first. So we've got a £5 note, add £2, add another £2. So 7, £9. And then how many pence have we got here? We've got 50, a 70, and a 10. So that's 80p. So we've got £9, 80p altogether. £9 and 80 pence. That's number 1. Number 2 is you have to circle £4.65. Okay, I'm going to circle the £2. I can't actually do it, but I'm trying to show you. So we've got £2, one of the £1 for £3, and that's £4. So circled those 3, £4. And then we need to make 65. I'm going to do 50p, a 10p, and a 5p for 65. £4.65. Give yourself a little mark for each of these, like a little mini test here to have a go at. Next one, number 3, Max. What's he doing? He empties his money box and he spends £1.72 on a present. Circle the coins he could have used. So you got to circle £1.72. And then how much money does he have left? So that's worth 2 marks, that one. 2 different things to have a go at. And then number 4 says tick the sets of coins that add up to £1. So we've got a row of 10p's there. We've got a row of 20p's, and we've got some 20s and a couple of 5s in a row as well. So there's 3 points. Well, there's 3 to do, and you get 1 point for getting them all right. So tick the sets of coins that add up to £1. That one you need to remember how many pence are in a pound. There you go. It's 3 and 4. Have a go at those now. All right, cool. So number 3, Max was emptying his money box. He was spending £1.72. Well, I'm going to circle that pound straight away, and then I need to make 72p. So I'm going to go the 50. Let's go the 20, and that makes £1.70, and then the 2p as well, £1.72. So I've decided to circle these 4 coins here, £1.72. Let's see how much he's got left though. So he's got £1 over here and a couple of 10s, so that's £1.20. We didn't circle this one, so that's £1.40. Didn't circle this 10p, so that's £1.50. Didn't circle that 5, so that's £1.55, and we didn't circle that 2, so that's £1.57. He's got £1.57p left. There you go. Circle £1.72 first, and then he had £1.57 left. Number 4, tick sets of coins that add up to £1. Right, let's count these 10p's. Let's count in tens, that'll be good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100p, that's £1. Take that one off, brilliant. Let's count in 20s for this row, because they're all 20p's, aren't they? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 100p, that's £1. Take that one off. Last one, mixture this time. So we'll count in 20s first. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So that makes 90p. So we shouldn't have ticked that one because that doesn't make £1. That's only 90p. So if you got those two right, that make £1, give yourself a point for that one. Super duper. Number 5, here we go. How much money is there all together? Well, you know what to do there. You just need to add up those pence. However, I'm guessing that, I've not counted them, I'm guessing that that is going to go over pence and into £1. Okay, so that's going to be over 100 pence. So you're going to have to write in pounds and pence for that one. Next one, we've got a price list, stuff at a cafe. You have to answer some questions on that. Milkshake and flapjack all together, add them up. Whitney's got £5.60 and she buys a hot chocolate. How much does she have left? I'm not going to tell you. Think about that one. And the last one is another add one. How much does a brownie and a flapjack cost altogether? So you've got 5 and 6 to have a go at. Pause video, have a go at those. Okie doke, number 5. We need to add up this money. I'm going to start with my 50p. Add a 20, that's 70. Add another 20, that's 90. Add that 10, that's 100. So that's £1. £1. Then we've got another 10. So that's £1.10. £1.15. £1.17. £1.18. £1.19. £1.19, which is the same as 119 pence. So that's what you should have got for that one. Next up, we're going to work some stuff out on the price list. This is really good because if you're in the shop or a cafe or somewhere and you want to work out how much things are going to cost you, obviously we do that all the time. So this is really good. If you can add together items and know how much they cost, that's really good. You can go to the shop. How much does a milkshake and a flapjack cost altogether? Let's have a look. Milkshake, £1.70p. And flapjack was £1.29p. So if we add those together, you get £2.99. £2.99 for a milkshake and a flapjack. Not too bad. Whitney has £5.60p. She buys a hot chocolate. How much does she have left? Okay, for this one, you can either do some subtracting or you can do some counting on, which we did the other day with the number line. It's up to you which way you want to do it. So £5.60, how much is a hot chocolate? £2.45. So if I add 50p to my 45p, that gets me to 60. And if I'm on £2, I need to get to £5, that's going to be another £3. So it's going to be £3.15, which is the difference. So that should be how much she's got left. Let's do it the other way by subtracting. So if I do £5.60 and I take away 45p, that leaves me with £5.15p. All right. And then I need to take away my £2. So £5 take away £2 is £3. So that leaves me with £3.15p. Same. £3.15p left. Good stuff. It's a good way of doing it. You can check. So you can count on, subtract. It's a good way of checking. Last one on this one. How much does a brownie and a flapjack cost altogether? So brownie, 75p. Flapjack, £1.29p. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch them around. I'm going to start with the flapjack because that's the bigger number. It's £1.29. Okay? I just think it's a bit easier if you start with the bigger one and add the smaller one. So we've got £1.29 and we're going to add 75p. Let's do it. So £1.29. I'm going to split this 75 up. I'm going to add my 5p first. So if I add 5 onto 29, that takes me to £1.34. Okay, brilliant, £1.34. And then I've got another 70p. So £1.34 add 70 takes me to £2.04 or 204p. Okay, so it was 129p, add 75p, it gets me to 204p, which is £2.04. All right, super. I think we got the last page. Here we go. 7, 8, and 9 on this one. This is the last one, and then I'll tell you about the power maths. So, first one, number 7, bit of converting to do. Remember, 100 pence in a pound. We've got £1.36. How many pence? This time we've done it the other way around. 512 pence. How many pounds and pence? And then we've got £8. How many pence? You get 3 points for that. Number 8. Teddy buys a sandwich for £3.55. How much change does he get from £10? That one is think about counting on, subtracting again. And then we've got a little puzzler at the end. Mo buys a kettle and a toaster. The kettle costs twice as much as the toaster. And the total cost is £63. How much does the kettle cost? That was a tricky one. If you're not sure about that one, you can leave it, but it'd be great to see people having a go, and I'll still tell you how to do it afterwards. All right. Okay, and then we've got a little scale at the bottom, how you feel about it. We'll do that in a second. Don't do it yet. So pause video, have a go at 7, 8, and 9 now. Okay, so number 7, you have to do some converting. £1.36 is 136 pence. This time they did it the other way around. 512 pence is £5.12. And last one, £8 is 800p. Well done if you got all those. Dead easy, I think. Next one, Teddy buys a sandwich, £3.55. How much change does it get from £10? So let's count. I'll do count on first and then check by subtracting. So if I add 45p to my £3.55, I'll get to £4. So that's 45p. And then if I'm on £4, I need another £6 to get to 10. So it's £6.45. Let's subtract and check. So if I've got £10 and I take away 55p, that leaves me with £9.45. And I take away the £3, that leaves me with £6.45. Same answer, we're doing well. £6.45p. Last one, tricky one. Mo's buying a kettle and a toaster. The kettle costs twice as much as the toaster. The total cost is £63. How much does the kettle cost? All right, so for this one, it's a bit tricky. What I think a good thing to do for this one is a bit of a bar model. So I'm going to take us on to the next slide and then come back. So this is what we've got as a bit of a bar model. 63 at the top, because that is how much the total cost is. Altogether, it costs £63. And then what we've got is I've split this up into 3. The reason I've done that is because we've got the kettle, which is it the kettle? Hang on, getting these confused. Which one's the most expensive? Okay, so the toaster. We've got the toaster here, and then we've got the kettle, and the kettle needs to be 2 times whatever the toaster is. 2 times. So altogether, if we've got the toaster and then the kettle, which is 2, you need to split 63 into 3 bits, 3 equal bits. And if you do, 63 divided by 3 is 21. So the toaster is £21. But the kettle is twice as much as the toaster. So 2 lots of 21 is 42. I forgot to put that at the bottom. 42 is how much the kettle is. The kettle's 42, the toaster's 21. If you add them together, it makes 63. All right, that's the best way of doing that one. Bit tricky. Do not worry if that one was a bit tricky for you, because you do have to think about splitting it up into 3. All right. So do not worry too much if you didn't get it, but that's what you need to do for that one. The toaster was 21, the kettle was 42. Right, last little thing. Circle how confident you feel with money. That means the money maths topic. It doesn't mean how comfortable you are with your money at home and how much money's in your piggy bank and things like that. So think about the money we've done over the last week or so in maths. What would you give yourself on the scale? 1 is not too great, not too confident, and then it moves up to 5, which is very confident. You're smashing it, get them all right. Totally up to you. You decide what you are. Maybe to help you with that, couple of pages in Power Maths. We've got pages 66 and 67. It's the same sort of questions, same sort of thing. It's an end of unit check in your Power Maths book. Have a go at it. Do not worry if it's tricky. It is just to see how you've got on over the last week or so. And there's a little thing to check. I think it might be a smiley face or something in the Power Maths book. It's the same sort of thing though. All right, that is it for today. That's it for our money maths. It's Friday tomorrow. That's pretty good, isn't it? I'll see you all. I tell you what, I'll see you all in our little Zoom later on this afternoon. See you later, guys.